I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
Let's cook some brown stew chicken with using sugar instead of browning. So we're putting some onion and scallion and thyme and garlic in the chicken so we can rub it together and cook up a storm. Watch ya, smiley. So guys, here we have the onions and stuff. So we're gonna rub it in and then add some powder seasoning. As you guys know, I'll be behind the camera, but I'm not the I can cook, not my favorite thing to do. Yeah, and my husband don't mind doing it. So I'm just gonna be the cameraman for now. Yeah, so we add some powder seasoning. That's chicken season, I think. Yeah, and that's it for powder seasoning. Too much powder seasoning not really good, so I don't really use much of it. I'd rather use like the garlic and the onion and stuff like that. So there we go. Let it sit for a little, and then we go straight to the pot. So we're going to burn the sugar now. So just put a little bit of oil and burn the sugar so we can brown stew the chicken. Not much oil, because you know chicken have it one oil and thingy. So there we go, using our little sugar. It might look like enough, but you know, I don't really know. It's not a lot. So we are burning the sugar. Sugar. Yeah, burn the sugar. And then we put the chicken in it. But you know, it has to really burn. See? So there we go. That pretty color. Yeah, man. Mr. Sir, just throw the entire chicken in the pot. Taking it one by one. I'm tired. Just pour it in. There we go. Pour the chicken in that pot. And I am cooking up a storm. No, I'm just looking. Look at that. It's getting brown already. Yeah, so we're just showing you. Yeah. I don't know if people still do. I think people still do this, like use the sugar instead of using the browning. Well, I think that using the sugar is better to me because you know exactly what is in the pot. And these days you don't know what they're putting in those things. So let it simmer for a little. Look at it. Look like you can eat already, right? Yeah, it smells good too. Smelling really good. So you know we're going to leave it there and kind of tip water here and a little bit there. And look at it. That burnt chicken is smelling so good. Let's cook some rice. So put some, that's the pot for the rice. Some scallion and some thyme. And there we go. Some coconut milk. Yeah. Grate a coconut? Nope. No, we ain't gonna do that. We do it sometimes, but yeah, and a little bit of salt. And then you taste it. Never put the fork in your mouth when you're tasting the pot. You put it in, you take a little bit, put it in the middle of your hand, and then you taste. Yeah, I guess it needs some more coconut milk. And again, we're not going to use the peas. Sometimes we do the peas from scratch, but today it's going to be a little easy day for us. So we're going to use some canned peas. Chicken are going with itself. Now go add some Irish, some carrot, and some sweet pepper, some green pepper. Yeah, there we go. Make that simmer down a little bit. It's almost done. It's almost time. All right, coconut milk came to a boil, so we're gonna put the peas in. Yep. Yippee. One more. Yeah, I'm doing stuff and I'm hungry. I need to eat food that I didn't cook. Yeah, throw that in a little. You can't let it boil too much because the peas is already cooked. So look at chicken. Ooh la la. And now we're gonna put some rice. And yeah, we'll wash it. Rice was washed. Yes. And we're gonna put it in now. Use, I don't know why I look, yeah. Just use your hand. Want to look dainty and nice. And when you in Jamaica, they used to say when you use your hand to put the rice in the pot, if your hand good, it's still the rice, you get a lot of rice. Just use your hands so we can have a whole pot of rice. Ah, look at chicken. Yep. Brown stewed chicken without the browning. Just use some sugar. I guess they use the sugar to make the browning anyway, so why not do it from scratch? And one thing, these peas don't make your rice look reddish, No matter how much you put in it, it still look. But it's rice and peas. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, you know where I live. Come on over. If you don't make it here in 5 minutes, there won't be any. So come on down and try some rice and peas